আসসালামাইকুম, আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আমি নতুন একটা ভিডিও নিয়ে চলে আসলাম। আমাদের দেশে ফরেনার, ইংল্যান্ড, আইসল্যান্ড, ইউকে, লন্ডন থেকে মানুষ আইসা আমাদের দেশকে দেখুন কিভাবে ঘুরতেছে, খাবার দাওয়া খাইতেছে, খেয়ে দেখুন কি বলতেছে। পুরো ভিডিওটা দেখে তারপরে আপনারা মন্তব্যগুলো কমেন্টে জানাবেন। ঠিক আছে, আমি ভিডিও চালু করতেছি।
Moja biryani. Well, since we time warped to the food court, we might as well get something to eat. What are we working with here? We got Baba Rafi. Looks like they got some tandoori rice and burgers. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, boy, that chicken's seen some better days, y'all. The double D, the Delhi Darbar. With Indian, South Indian, Chinese, seafood, kebab, and grill. And they got the bucket, yo. I think I'm in a bucket mood. I think we got to get the bucket, right? Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? Assalamu alaikum, brother. Can you show me the biryani bucket? That's the bucket. Is that too much for one person?
That's for 2 person.
That's for 2 people. Oh, maybe I need the mini bucket. What do we got here? That's the mini one. Oh, the mini. Let me do the mini, bro. One mini. Yeah. One mini. And can I do just a water, a cold water? Are you ready? The bucket has arrived. The Bangla bucket of biryani. The mini bucket. This thing is like a banger. Wow, just a crazy good biryani aroma coming off of it. Let's get in for a closer look here. Turn it around, back that thing up. Okay, what is that? Almost looks like some falafel or something. Interesting. No idea what that is. What the heck? What is that? Oh, like Jita Pani.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The cumin soda. And then we got what looks to be some of the sauce for it. And then what is that? I don't even know what we got going on there. We got a little salad. What the heck is that thing? We're about to dig in and find out. Look at this presentation, y'all. This is dope. Here we go. We're gonna get a nice piece of that chicken. We're gonna get some of that beautiful yellow-colored rice. We got some of the crispy or sautéed onions in there. It looks like maybe some pieces of coriander as well. Pow! Very good. Impressive. Wow. The chicken flavor, it's like kebab flavor. It's like tandoor chicken. It's got a really nice smoky, rich flavor to it. Very, very impressive. I'm digging that. I'm gonna turn it around so you can look at it. I guess let's dump the bucket out actually. Oh my god. Now that we dump the bucket out, you can see these massive pieces of chicken here. Whoa. This was a mega deal for $4, yo. Very impressed. The rice, super tender, very flavorful. It's got a nice spiciness to it, very savory. A little bit of a salty element in there. Ooh, we got cashews too, and I'm dropping the rice all over as I'm showing it to the camera. This is an absolute banging biryani. Very, very impressed. Ooh, and this little cup was the pickled mango. I just took a little taste to see what it was. Very, very good. I love pickled mango. Very good biryani. Moja biryani.
মজা বিরিয়ানি, অনেক মজা বিরিয়ানি। তো গাইস, ভিডিওটা যদি আপনার কাছে ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার এবং কি সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটাকে। আর অবশ্যই আমার পাশে আপনারা থাকবেন, থাকলে আমি এরকম ভিডিও আরও দিতে পারবো। সো এবার মতন চললাম, পরের ভিডিওতে দেখা হবে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।